So I just paid 500 yen to go into the Sogenshi garden. No way, that's part of the same temple? Yo, that temple's massive. Oh, they got kois too. Let's go check out the pizza spot. The sidewalks here are crazy. Like, the sidewalk is literally just this little strip. That's it. So you're like so close to the cars, bro. Alright, so I just paid 500 yen to go into the Sogenshi garden. And there's also a temple too. It looks pretty massive. I think the temple's like another 300 yen, but it'll definitely be worth it. Yeah, let's check it out. This is cool. I didn't even know this was here. I just knew about the bamboo garden. So this is all like unplanned adventure. That's how I like it. A little bit of plan is good. Like knowing where you're gonna sleep. When it comes to the daytime, we just vibe and we just going with the flow. Take it all in, because I might never be here again in my entire life. But if it's up to me, I will. I will be back here. At least in Japan, at least. Cool buildings, and then it looks like another hike. Oh boy. This is cool, little frog statues. I think I'll avoid the stairs for now and check out the flat ground first. This might be the temple. Yeah, this is the temple. I think I'll come back to that after I check out the garden. That's where the stairs lead. Dang, I might have to go up there and see the view. It's a good thing I've been training for walking for like the past 6 months. I've literally been walking every day in the gym for the past 6 months, like at least an hour. And there was a stretch where I did like 2 hours plus for like 2 months in a row. So when it comes to walking, I'm pretty good right now. But I was doing low elevation though. I wasn't on no Stairmaster. So when it comes to the steps, it's a little bit tougher. It sure beats walking at the gym, I'll tell you that. Japanese blue oak. Baby trees. Ooh, nice little lake over here. Is this part of the same temple? Oh, no way, that's part of the same temple? Yo, that temple's massive. Alright, I'm excited to go in there. But wow, look at this water. Oh, they got kois too. Wow, look at the koi boys. Biggins. But yo, do you know how much bass I could catch in here? It's an inside joke.
Ciò che era successo, ovvero a questo tipo che poteva fare degli furti.
Not too bad of a hike for this view right here. Okay, so I kind of played myself because I could not find the temple entrance inside of that garden. I swear I walked around it like 2 times and I couldn't find it. So I thought, hey, maybe it's outside of the garden. And I went outside and no, I was actually inside, but there's no re-entry. So screw it. I'm way too hungry now. We're searching for some ramen because yeah, I really need to eat. So unfortunately, we're not gonna see that temple, but still saw plenty yesterday and there will be more. This is cool in the middle of the train track right here. This is probably the tracks I saw way down there. And they keep going. But yeah, I typed ramen into Google and now we follow in that. It would be so nice to have some hot ramen right now. I'm craving it. It's gonna hit so good. Also, I need to charge my phone. We got like 50%. I have my charger, so if I can just find a wall outlet, I'll be Gucci. Hopefully inside the ramen place, maybe there's an outlet. Because if my phone dies, I'm kind of screwed. It's like another bamboo forest right here. Crazy. But yeah, let's get this food before my phone dies. Okay, so I'm here at the ramen spot, but they open in 2 minutes, so it's still closed. And then I looked real quick. There's like a pizza place right down the street that looks really good, so. And I'm sorry, ramen spot, but I gotta go for the pizza. Like, the pepperoni looks really good, and it's gonna be hot. I'm still craving ramen, but I feel like the pizza will fill me up more, like the bread and the dough, because I really have not eaten much on this entire trip, so I need something a little heavier than ramen. So yeah, let's go check out the pizza spot, you know. Be cool trying pizza in Japan. See how it compares. The picture, it looks like a normal pizza on the picture on the website. Oh, what's that? It's like a little park. I think there's a elementary school here because by the pizza spot there was like an elementary school store. So I guess that's just school supplies. But yeah, let me take a look at the map, see where I'm going. I'll see y'all at the pizza joint. The sidewalks here are crazy. Look, the sidewalk is literally just this little strip and there's like a white line. That's it. So you're like so close to the cars, bro. It's crazy how close you are and the roads are so tiny too. But yeah, cool stuff. So the pizza spot actually had this plug right here, right where they sat me. I couldn't have planned that any better. And who knows, the ramen spot probably would not have sat me right next to a plug like I needed. So it seems like this happened for a reason. Made the right choice and didn't even know it. But yeah, I ordered a pepperoni pizza and some iced tea. Oh yeah, let's go baby. That pizza looks so good, it smells so good. Oh yeah. Got some green tea, iced tea and water too. And yeah, let's chow down. Look at the booty on him. It says stay 3 meters away. I'm not sure how much 3 meters is. I'm an American, but it's crazy how close you can get though. This one. But this guy staring at me from behind. I don't know. Yo, these monkeys just almost took my legs out. Literally scrapping across the walk path. Boat crash, boat crash. Boat crash.